What is alphanumeric suffix option? This option identifies each part of a multi-part schematic component. For example, this is a multi-part component, R1, a network resistance, and each resistor is named individually and uniquely by combining the name of the component with the name of the part. This is the format of it. It has three options: alpha, numeric with a dot in between, numeric with a colon in between. So how do we change the format? By default, the format is alpha, but let's change it to other types. Right click, preferences, schematic, general. Under numeric suffix, we can choose the other types. Let's select numeric separated by dot. Click OK. As you can see, the format changed. Let's change it again. Right click, preferences, under schematic, general, and alphanumeric suffix, let's change this third type. OK. As you can see, the format is changed again. Let's go back and change it to alpha. Right click, preferences, go back to alpha. As you can see, it's changed back to the alpha, which was the default type. So this is how this option works. Thank you.